What's going on with the truckers? So I'm letting you guys know right now, it actually happened yesterday all the way till Sunday. Wisconsin State Patrol, they're actually going to be viewing from the sky.
Transportation's Division of State Patrol is a highly trained group of sworn officers who also are licensed pilots. They stand ready to fly missions throughout the state using aircraft based in Madison, Eau Claire, and Green Bay.
The Patrol Air Support Unit is involved in a number of different missions and operations throughout the state. We are a service that not only is utilized for the State Patrol itself, but for also other outside agencies, local, municipal, county, and other state and federal agencies at their request. We're utilized for operations that consist of traffic enforcement details, cooperating patrol officers on the ground. In addition to those players, we also need aerial enforcement zones, which consist of markings throughout the state on highways, on our highway system. Those marks are 1/8 of a mile between, or 660 feet. We utilize a Vascular speed computer. Vascular stands for Visual Average Speed Computer and Recorder. And basically the Vascular system is just a stopwatch that is being utilized, which is calculating the speeds of vehicles based on distance over time. We measure the time that it takes a vehicle to travel between the two marked locations of the predetermined distance, and the Vascular outputs a speed based on distance divided by time.
First off, I did not know Wisconsin had that type of money to spend on this type of patrol, but all you mother truckers out there, here are the counties. I don't want to butcher their names, but here they are. Basically, from yesterday all the way till Sunday, they're going to give people tickets for aggressive driving. So just be careful, people. I know you guys are driving safe as it is, but if you see a little birdie in the sky, yeah, he's checking you out this week. So overall, see you guys tomorrow.